Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, we're here in Thailand and maybe it's our last day tomorrow, and I will say that I'm gonna say my experience here and what I think here in Thailand right now. So the place is so good. Yes, you can stay here. The food also good. I love. And then sometimes have cheapest, sometimes have expensive. So you need to choose first. And also the travel here, for travel like tuk-tuk, it's so good. It's cheapest, same like in Philippines. If you don't want to use tuk-tuk, you can walk as long as you can walk. Okay. Beach here in Pattaya, in Central, it's, I cannot say good or not, but
You not try.
I not try because I not been there. But in Nakloa Beach, in Sky Beach where we were with my friends, it's so good because have two places there. In the front of their condominium, and where's more stone.
White Stone. Its name place White Stone. Some of people don't know this place.
So it's so good because it's two type of a wave there. The other beach there is don't have wave. The other beach again it's have wave. So I just choose only there, but the Flower Beach there is so good.
No, what you think about Pattaya? Because we want to compare Pattaya and Angeles. What you think? What better? What not good? What you think? Okay. First foods.
Foods, same.
Food same like in
Same.
the Philippines.
Yes, if
Is
you're
street foods also the same or not?
have type of street food that you cannot find here in Thailand and you cannot find also in the Philippines. You go to Philippines, so they have different variety of food here. That's why most of the food here in the Thailand is spicy.
In the Philippines,
In
not
Philippines,
the same.
it's not spicy. So have type of food. That's why if you want to come to Philippines, you can eat another food also. Philippine food. If you want to go here in Thailand, you need to choose the Thailand food. That's street food, pad thai. It's the papayas salad.
Papaya salad you try same or not?
Same.
Same in the Philippines, papaya salad.
No. The papaya salad you cannot find in Philippines.
Mhm.
That's why I go here in the Philippines to try their papaya salad, their what is this, the soy sauce that they put in the papaya salad. I love it.
Mhm.
And also, what better? Coffee.
That
Drinks.
coffee the same. Coffee.
Same. But here, their coffee it's more strong, even if it's in outside. It's so strong. Really, it's so strong. Then it's same like you go to Starbucks or another coffee shop that more expensive. But here, really, it's so strong.
Mhm.
Even you put already what it is?
Sugar.
Sugar. So strong. And also here, marijuana it's allowed. But in Philippines, that's the difference here. That's why most of the people, I don't know, most of the people go here to try the marijuana because if you go to another country, it's not allowed.
What you think? Better allowed or not allowed? In the Philippines, I know some of people use, but hide. But in Thailand, they not hide. For me, better not allowed. I don't want.
It's not allowed.
But
because you know
some
why?
of people want.
You know why Philippines not allowed marijuana? Marijuana, it's illegal, like drugs already illegal, medicine.
For me, it's not medicine. I
You know
don't.
why? And only they use marijuana for medicine. Who need only medicine same like in marijuana? But people who cannot use marijuana because it's, even you study in the school, they will say it's not allowed. So you're just only like small from elementary. They will say to you that this part of medicine or drugs is not allowed to use.
But I think in Thailand, especially Pattaya, so many shops with marijuana, so many, even you walk 10 meters everywhere and this shop, I think it's so many.
Yeah, so many here. Even
So
coffee
many.
have marijuana,
Yeah.
have brownies have marijuana. So you don't know if you buy in one place, you don't know if your coffee have marijuana or don't have. And also, they said it's not allowed vape here, but I seen so many people here using vape.
So many Thai people use vape,
And
but you
even-
cannot see foreigner use vape.
I seen foreigner also using
So it's
vape.
hide. So have rules in Thailand, not allowed vape, but
But have designated place only to use smoke.
so allowed marijuana, but not allowed vape. I don't understand.
Because if they use, you know why? Vape, if they sell vape here or they allow vape, marijuana will not, they will not use. Understand? Same in Philippines. That's why they prohibited already the vape in Philippines because cigarettes are getting lower. From cigarette user to vape user. Same.
We will continue walk and talk. We're going to in the beach road. So what Shaira thinking about Pattaya? We continue. We're walking in the beach road right now. Beach road.
Beach road. The beach is same like in the Philippines, but maybe I would like more beach in Philippines.
So in the Philippines, in Manila also have beach road, but what you think? What more
In
interest?
Manila, it's small only beach there, but here it's big. Understand? And the road here, it same like in Clark, in Makati, in Manila. Same like you walk, it's same in Manila. So I can see that Thailand, it's same like Manila.
Not Thailand, Pattaya. We're
Like
talking
Pattaya,
about
what I meant,
Pattaya.
Pattaya, it's same like Manila.
Same like in Manila.
Yes, same like Manila.
So noisy also.
Noisy, but have some noisy and some not noisy.
About foods, you already say. We've
Yes.
been also in the like hypermarket in Big C.
The Big C, it seems like in hypermarket, in SM hypermarket, same only. So if you want to buy here from the Big C or extra Big C, it's same like in
All the
Philippines.
same.
Same because it's only from another country. And also the souvenirs here is little bit, I don't know, how can I say? Because the exchange rate of a Thailand baht to Philippines, it's 160, right? It's 100 baht, it's 160. So, little bit expensive the souvenirs here. Little bit expensive. These slippers I used, it's 100 baht. But sometimes they will gonna sell to you 150. Depend on the place. Depend on the people also. The seller, if they will gonna give you some discount. That's good here. And also the weather here, the in the Philippines, it's little bit colder if it's night and hot. Not so hot in Philippines.
You mean this time?
This time. But in the Philippines, maybe it's so cold in evening. Because here it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit. after 31.
Mhm.
Hi everyone, we're here already in Philippines and we will ask Georgie what's the difference of Philippines and Thailand. So,
So for me, Thailand is better because food, more food, more different and better quality. Yes, it's the first reason. The second is because more clean and more safety. So I can walk and I can. So I explain you. In Philippines, many beggars, many poverty, much poverty on the street. So it's maybe not safe because several times already I was in a danger. So someone tried to catch my phone, for example. So in Thailand is much better. And the last reason is the weather is air. I mean air. It's more humidity, and for me it's better in Thailand because when I breathe here in Philippines, sometimes I have um, problem with my throat. So I understand what happens because I breathe, and in the bars, for example, aircon, dry air, and I breathe, and problem with my throat. In Thailand, is air more humid, and it's better for me, so I don't have problems in Thailand. But another problem in Thailand is visa. So I cannot stay in Thailand so much time as I can in Philippines. I can stay only 3 months, and after that I need to go somewhere else and come back maybe for 3 months more. But if I do this often, many times, they can stop me at the border and don't allow to enter in Thailand anymore. So visa is more difficult in Thailand than in Philippines.
What about bars? People asking about Philippine bar and Thailand bar.
I don't know. I don't like bars here. I don't like bars there. It's not the reason to go to the bars. So yes, in Thailand is better because in the bars more nudity. So you can see in Thailand more naked girls than in Philippines. So and they do something not allowed in the Philippines. But it's not a reason to go to the bars for me. So I don't like bars here. I don't like bars there. I can buy a drink somewhere, somewhere else, not in the bars. Yes, food is better in Thailand. Yes, food quality also. So if I buy salmon there, I can choose Norwegian salmon, Australian trout, and maybe what else. And the fish is more fresh. If I buy here in Philippines, it's more often it's not fresh already. So they deliver it and they froze again. So many times fish is not fresh already. Even I find the place in Koreatown where I buy salmon. Even there, it's not not the same like in Thailand. It's more fresh than in Assam, but not so fresh like in Thailand. So food is, yes, better in Thailand.
Fruits also.
Ah, yes, no, fruits better and cheaper. Yes, mango bigger, cheaper. Yes,
Girls.
watermelon I like in Thailand. Here in Philippines, no.
But
Girls,
Philippine girls better, you say.
for me, yes, Philippine girls better than Thai, because Thai girls, for me, all similar, all the same face. In Philippines, more different faces. So for me, better in Philippines.
So what reason to stay in the Philippines? Only
Reason?
visa.
Yes.
For you only visa. If
For-
visa and girls. Good.
Mm,
People better here.
um, no, maybe. So I cannot go to my country now. So, but I cannot stay anywhere except Philippines for so long time. So I can stay here 3 years, yes. But in other countries I can stay about maybe 3 months, somewhere maybe 6 months. I don't know. So it's only because of visa, I think.
People. People.
Shaira said people.
So the neighbor, what the difference of Philippines and
People, Thai people and Philippine people.
Mm, what to say? I don't know what to say.
So you not communication with Philippine people?
If you want to compare people, it's difficult because I am a foreigner here, I am a foreigner there, so and my impression of communication. Okay, I explain. If you Filipina and stay in Philippines, you have one way of communication. If you foreigner and stay in the Philippines, you have another way, because Philippines, I don't know, because they communicate another way with foreigners. So, and they same in Thailand. In Thailand, if you foreigner, they communicate with you another way than with Thai people. You understand? So if you go to Russia um, and you live there, you will communicate with people, and you have some some impression of communication. But if you're Russian and you communicate with Russian people, you have another, because of you foreigner in the country, people communicate with you another way. You understand? They may be more polite, maybe more welcome. So that's why many foreigners who live in Russia, they tell, "Oh, I like Russia, so I like everything. I like people." So, but if you're Russian, and you live in Russia, you can see all negative moments. You understand? The same way here. About medicine, so I think in Thailand it's much better, much higher quality than in Philippines. And you can buy medicine in pharmacy. So sometimes in Philippines, when I try to buy something, they don't have. So I need to visit many pharmacies and find. Also, I think much more medicine in surgery. I mean, because of some lady boys go to Thailand and make what they want.
Filipino lady boys.
Yes, Filipino lady boys. And for your understanding, we talking about Angeles City and Pattaya City. So I don't tell about all Philippines. So I was in Cebu, I was in Boracay many times. So I like Boracay, but now only about Angeles City.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.